Dear children, how are you? Are you safe at home? Okay. Today we will start our IT classes. What is the full form of IT? I stands for information and T stands for technology. IT means information technology. You have already studied IT in first standard and second standard. In IT, what we are learning? Yes, we are studying about computers. Before starting our class, we shall have a silent prayer. You may please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and bow your head. Okay. Our first chapter is a visit to the computer museum. What do you mean by museum? Yes, museum means a collection of old things. So, computer museum means a collection of old computers. And this chapter is a conversation between a teacher and some students. And they are talking about the old computers. In the museum, they saw an abacus first. You know what is an abacus? Yes, what is an abacus? Yes, abacus is a calculating machine. It is used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You all are familiar with abacus. Next, they saw some rods. And they are made of ivories that are called Napier's bones. These bones are invented by John Napier. He was a mathematician. And these bones are used for multiplication and division. Next one is a box with dials on it and it is called Pascaline. It is used for addition and subtraction. The user had to turn the dials to enter the numbers. These all are mechanical machines. They did not use electricity to work. They are operated manually. Next, they saw the picture of Charles Babbage. This is the picture of Charles Babbage. Have you heard about Charles Babbage? No. He is known as the father of computers. Charles Babbage invented difference machine and analytical machine. They could do difficult calculations perfectly. Next is the invention of a computer called Harvard Mark I, which uses electricity to do some task. Then they saw some huge computers. One of them is ENIAC. ENIAC means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computers. That works entirely on electricity. That's all about old computers. Dear children, now we can discuss the exercise. Question number A, fill in the blanks with correct words. First question is, Dash was a mathematician who invented bones for multiplication and division. Options inside are Robert Napier, John Napier. Which is the answer? Yes, John Napier was a mathematician who invented bones for multiplication and division. Second one, Blaise Pascal invented the dash. Blaise Pascal invented the dash. From the name Blaise Pascal, Pascal is there, so Pascaline. Pascaline. Third question. Dash is known as the father of computers. Who is known as the father of computers? Yes, Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. Charles Babbage designed the dash. Charles Babbage designed the dash. Analytical engine or abacus. Which one? Yes, analytical engine. Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine. Dash was the first computer that used electricity to run. Which one is the first computer that used electricity to run? Yes, Harvard Mark I is the first computer that used electricity to run some of its tasks. Then match the following. Pascaline is invented in the year of 1642. Difference engine invented in the year of 1822. Harvard Mark I invented in the year of 1944. ENIAC is invented in the year of 1946. You just remember these years. C. Name the machine. First question. It had rods made of ivory. Rods made of ivory. Rods or bonds. That is Napier's bonds. Second one. It has beads for counting. Beads for counting. Yes, it is abacus. It looked like a box and had many dials. Looked like a box and had many dials. That is Pascaline. It was designed in the year 1847. It was designed in the year 1847 is analytical engine. D. Arrange the names of the calculating machines in ascending order. The machines given here are analytical engine, Pascaline, Harvard Mark I, Napier's bonds, difference engine, abacus. Which one is the first machine? Yes, abacus is the first machine. Second one is, yes, Napier's bonds. Third one is Pascaline. Fourth one is difference engine. After that, analytical engine. And the last one is Harvard Mark I. Chiku wants to count the number of beads in the abacus. Help Chiku to reach the abacus. You know to find the way, right? Yes, you can do it by yourself. Thank you.